Hi CRAFTS students, so today I'm going to go over how to create a loop knot and how to get started on your weaving for the square knot project that we're going to be working on all week. So it looks like I folded, you can't see it, but the purple and blue string are folded in half. I'll cut my ends later, they're not quite even, but they're even enough. You're going to take the loops, you're going to let the extra drop off, and wrap around your finger, like so, your pointer finger. You're going to slide the edge off. Try this one more time. You're going to slide the edge off, and then you're going to pull these two through this loop. And there you have the loop. The next step will be you need to duct tape this down. You'll have one piece of tape at the very top on the loop. You're going to separate your colors out. You should have one purple and one blue in the middle and one on either side. Just look something like this. Then you're going to tape the two center cables down. Okay, as I was explaining in class, you're going to take the right string. I'm going to pull it in. You're going to make a number 4. It's going to go across the double cables or the center cables. You're going to take your left string. You're going to keep it underneath the two center cables here. However, you're going to sneak it and then tuck it over the purple, which is your right string. This string is going to get tucked under the string that's going under the two center cables. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these strings. It's going to look like a mess for a little bit, but hang on, it'll work out. That is your first square knot. What you want to do next is alternate it. So if the right was on top first, now it's going to go under. You got to alternate them. So this purple one now is going to go underneath. And then this, make it a video, and then this right side is going to go over the blue and tuck it under the purple. You're going to pull both strings, and that will be your second knot. You're going to do this all the way down to your last string, and I'll show you how to knot it in class. Alright? Take your time. I'll try to help you one at an individual as class goes on. Thanks for watching.